Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin rights and a moment to stop running containers. Save work first. Open the system tray, right-click the Docker desktop icon, and choose Quit Docker Desktop so services stop cleanly. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell and run WSL shutdown if you used WSL2, because Docker often uses that backend and leaving it active can block files during uninstall. These steps prevent file locks and ensure a clean removal of services and resources. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, locate Docker Desktop and choose Uninstall. You are removing the application files and system integration. When the uninstaller prompts, choose to remove user data only if you want a full reset. Note that this deletes images, volumes, and containers. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts to stop services after the uninstall completes. Reboot Windows to let the OS clear leftover drivers and release resources from Hyper-V or WSL backends. After reboot, remove residual folders like appdata_roaming_docker and program data_docker to reclaim space. This clears configs and caches. If you use WSL, run WSL unregister Docker Desktop and WSL unregister Docker Desktop data to remove the backend distributions. This is why we shut WSL earlier. If the uninstall fails or Windows reports locked files, run Programs and Features or the Microsoft Install Troubleshooter as admin. Often a background service or antivirus blocks removal, so stop conflicting services and retry the uninstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.